I am speaking on behalf of GFDO, Goans for Daboli only. First and foremost, we commend former Revenue Minister Rohan Kaunte, for wisdom has descended upon him. He has spoken about the scam involved in giving the construction license to the Mopa Airport Development Authority, or rather GMR. All this time when he was in the ruling, he was so silent. Only now, when they are in the opposition, they are speaking, he and others. That shows that these guys are more fit to be in the opposition than in the ruling. Our first point is regarding the hilltop terrain of Mopa Airport. We would like to ask the Mopa Airport Development Authority whether a thorough study of the tabletop terrain at Mopa has been done, and what kind of safety measures have they taken, especially in view of major accidents at two tabletop terrain airports in India, namely Mangalore and Kozhikode in Kerala. The second point that we would like to raise is whether MADA, Mopa Airport Development Authority, has demarcated the funnel zone at Mopa Airport, or later on will they battle with constructions that will come within the funnel zone. The very constitution of Mopa Airport Development Authority are concern for worry, because they have taken over the powers given by the Constitution Amendment 73 to local government bodies, panchayats. They have taken over the powers of Kasarvane, Varkond, Chandel, Uge, Mopa. This is a total violation of the Amendment 73. There is sufficient cause for suspicion regarding the powers given to MADA. We are afraid that this may be an arm of the real estate lobby. The Director of Civil Aviation is also the Director on the board of GMR, Chairman of the Audit Committee Board of GMR, and Member Secretary of Mopa Airport Development Authority. One individual wearing so many hats. What does it say? There is great reason for suspicion whether in the days to come these guys will take over the surrounding lands of poor people or force them to part with their land. All this in view, we call upon the people of Goa in general and the resourceful people of Perne in particular to act together against these greedy vested interests, and unitedly we can save the future of Goa and Goans, which is so bleak